Hello, welcome back to the 7th episode of Through the Helmers, the tour through my Helmer drawers, and that's what we're doing today. So this is the second of my 9-0 lacquer drawers. This is all 9-0 lacquer, so if you don't like 9-0 lacquer, you don't need to keep watching. But I'm going to show you what I have, and that's the premise of this video. So let me zoom in and we will get started. Alright, first we have Armos, Puppet. This needs to be shaken, but I just didn't do it. P-Hat, Octorok, Wallmaster, Fireside, Bubbly, Shooting Star, what are you doing, sir? Igneo Peblet, Christmas Crelly, Party Dress, Clear Cold Night, Blueberry Acai. Oh, this is way out of order. Blueberry Acai. It's not the destination. Astral. Sir, what do you need? Nebula, Cottontail, Sprinkles, Budding, Blossoms, Sand, Leaves, Breeze, Twinkle Lights 2.0. Yeah, clearly these are not in order. I don't know what happened. Pomegranate Refresher, Kiwi Crush, Dragon Fruit Freeze, Anti-Hero, Mr. Mischief, Pew Pew, King Koopa, Jumpman. What a Peach, Ectoplasm, Be Positive, Static, Spiced, Juniper, Current, Icicle, Rudolph, Toyland, Ornament, Out with the Cold. Oh no, you can't see it. Sweet Sunshine, Marigold, Primrose, Flaky All the Things, Lilac, Raindrops, Clover, Fireworks, USA, Recycle. Is that better? I think that's a little better. Ultraviolet, Bullfrog, Firefly, Flaming Flamingo, Humidity, No Bones About It, Maple, Mulled Wine, Devil's Night, Spooky Sprinkles, Scarecrow, Decay, Tombstone, Hollow All the Things Top Coat, Sleigh Ride, Countdown, Gingerbread Cookie, Onesie, Sugar Plum, Something Sweet, lace, flirt, X, V, ghost, fortune-telling feline, new horizons, owl assessment, sparkle all the things gold, and sparkle all the things silver. Sisters in sales, snitches get stitches, that's Mr. Nook to you, smoke, wildflowers, perfect apple, flaky all the things gold, lanternfly, Picasso bug, clear skies, arachnid, sugar cookie, 8-spotted forester. And that is my 9-0 lacquer collection. Let me know what your favorite 9-0 lacquer polish is, and stay tuned for the next episode of Through the Helmers.